Hi, I'm Dan Burgos, President and CEO of Alpha Nova Consulting, and I'm here to answer a question that I get all the time when I'm talking to manufacturing leaders. That question is, how long will it take for us to improve, to become a lean organization, or to just drive improvement in execution? And so I made this diagram just to show that, because the answer typically is, it depends. And it depends on a number of factors. One being, at what stage of performance is your business, right? And I'll describe those. It could also be how receptive your staff is and how committed are you to actually changing behaviors and changing processes and performance within the business. So let's get into the stages so we have a better understanding of those. So in this graph, what you're looking at is on the vertical performance. And I want you to think about safety, quality, delivery, and cost, okay? And then down here on the horizontal, we have time, performance over time. And typically, based on your operational performance, you're going to be very profitable or not, or very unprofitable. And so the first stage that we typically find manufacturers out of the four is it's an early stage where performance looks like this, where it's very variable. So performance, it's not consistent, it's not reliable, and you end up having peaks and valleys in performance where you have times where there's high levels of profitability and then lowers in other times. The second stage is where you have the same level of inconsistency, but less drastic, let's say. So it looks like this. Okay? So again, you have less variability. At this point, more than likely you're profitable, but still it's not consistent, it's not reliable. You can't project based on this because you don't have control of your performance. Now, let's get to the third stage. Typically, you get to this point where you have some variability, but it's much, much, much less. And so the business at this point is under control, is stable. You can project, you can assume things based on this. And then the final stage is where actually your business is continuously improving, okay? Where you have a culture where you're constantly making improvements and you're dominating based on execution, and other manufacturing businesses cannot compare to your performance because you deliver faster, better product, and more profitable. So you can do different things with pricing. If you're thinking, where do you find yourself? Most companies are going to be in this realm here. Very few make it to this because of commitment and change in behaviors. And then some find themselves here to some degree, to a lesser percentage. And so again, answering the question, it depends on what stage of this progression you find yourself and your manufacturing business. This is going to take significant change. This will not to this degree. And here, all we need to do is make some changes to start having that hockey stick or that climb in performance.
If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to receive notifications. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos, and thanks for watching.